How often is it that you have a photograph which is lovely, but it's just a little too dark? This apparently is a Japanese squirrel, and you can look it up on Wikipedia, which is very interesting. But it's a little too dark, this photograph. What can we do in Photoshop to make it better? It's really simple. What we do is we go to the Image menu and go to Adjustments and go to Levels, and then we get this box here. In fact, there's an easy way. You can do a Command L or Control L and get it very quickly. So these are the levels in the picture. There's a lot of dark, there's a bit of mid, and there's not very much of bright. And this slider here controls the mid point, and this is the most common one that you'll want to use. So in this case, if we move it in this direction, it makes the image even darker, which isn't what we want. You'd think it was the other way around, but it's not if it's moving towards the brighter tones. But it's the other way. It's balancing it towards the other side. So visually, I think it's round about there. And then I click OK. And that's it. I've made an image which was too dark into an image which is just right. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.